I'm not a writer.
Hey guys! Welcome to our channel.
Hi guys.
Okay, my name is Misaki.
I'm Shohei.
Today we are gonna introduce a Japanese product, Stapleless Stapler. I know you don't believe it. Let's get started. Okay, welcome back to our channel.
Okay, hey guys. So are you guys still using a staple with stapler? Guess what? This is 2018. We don't use a stapler anymore. It's stapler. So now we have a staples. No, stapler without staple. Yes. So this is a stapleless stapler. Yeah, comparing the normal stapler, it's a little bit lighter than usual because this one doesn't have staples inside, right? So it's a little bit lighter than the normal one. So speaking of device, make a small notch on papers and same time make a thing shaped like a roll. And in the last part, a roll is gonna be put into the small notch, just like this. So like that. The strength is not as good as a normal stapler, but still you can fasten the papers. It works well, just like this. The merit is that you don't have to separate by what kind of garbage when you throw away. Second, you don't have to fill staples out. Third, it's safe. So it means you can put paper through a shredder. You can save money and resources same time. And also it's staple charge. So this is a stapleless stapler. It's really cool to wax and looks like cute. Cute? Cute? Cute. And if you want to get it, send us an email. And don't forget to put your name and your home address and how many you want to get it.
Let's move on to the next topic.
And next she's gonna introduce her favorite song.
Okay, so I'm gonna introduce Japanese pop music, Lemon by Kenshi Yonezu.
Nice. So popular in Japan right now.
Yep. Okay, let's get started.
戻らない幸せがあることを最後にあなたが教えてくれた言えずに隠してた暗い過去もあなたがいなきゃ永遠に暗いままきっともうこれ以上傷つくことなどありはしないとわかっているあの日の悲しみさえあの日の苦しみさえその全てを愛してたあなたと共に胸に残り離れない苦いレモンの匂い雨が降り止むまでは帰れない今でもあなたは私の光
Don't forget to smash the like button and leave a comment, subscribe.